Sharbot Lake Provincial Park.
August 30th, 2018.
Yeah, baby. We're here, Sharbot Lake Provincial Park, our first time. Labor Day long weekend. We're a day early, it's Thursday, August 30th, 2018. My lovely wife, Carol. We got a lakefront site, it's absolutely beautiful. Got ourselves a new truck this week, which I got to show off. 2500 HD, all-terrain, Duramax diesel, GMC. Obviously, I'm gonna get a wrap on it in the next week or two. Probably do some fishing right off of here. Can launch our canoe right off of here. We're actually right beside the boat launch, but this is Black Lake, not Sharbot Lake. Sharbot Lake's on the other side of the park, and this is a smaller lake, and it's actually better for us canoeing. Obviously, larger lakes, you're limited as to where you can go in a canoe, especially if it's windy. So get the beers going and get the fire going. So the most exciting thing about this weekend is there's no fire ban, and this place comes with its own chopping block. Check that out. Anyways, we haven't been camping since first week of August, our vacation. We were at where the hell were we? Restool for the first part, Mikisew for the second part. Missed Grundy because it was closed. Evacuated because of the forest fires. It's open now. Everybody's having a great time up there. So maybe next year we'll get up there.
So we're not jealous at all that we missed it.
What?
I said, so we're not jealous at all that we missed it.
Yeah, right. That was the main event for our vacation, and didn't happen. So, but we ended up Mikisew, which we were not going to go to, and we really liked that. Restool, not going to go again. Gonna do some campfire cooking this weekend. I got myself a tomahawk steak, like a total Fred Flintstone steak. So that'll be fun. We're making campfire nachos too, according to the boss over there.
You get your tomahawk steak, I get my campfire nachos.
There you go. All good. Our first campfire in almost 2 months, I guess.
Am I banished to the corner, like the naughty corner?
Yes, you're a very bad girl. So I'm gonna post this video before any of the other ones. I haven't had time to edit or post anything this summer. I've been so busy at work. So this will come up first. We did do a lot of footage. We did do a lot of trips. They're all gonna come, but probably not until the winter time when I have some time off of work. So let's we'll get this one up. Hopefully it's a great weekend, and we'll see where it goes. Hey, hi. Campfire, baby. All right, fire's going. Cooler's here. What we got? Hop City. Barking squirrel. RV Camp in Ontario, baby. Hop City, baby. I had a special request in a comment on YouTube for my world famous burnt chicken wings. So, here we go. I'll burn them, don't worry. Oh yeah, definitely getting the burn on. No, I don't need any comments about burning chicken wings and temperature of the fire. This is the way I like them. I love them like this. Gotta have the bark. All right. So, got our bowl. Carol's already
Sauced.
pre-sauced the bowl. Take my burnt chicken wings off the fire. Crannies
Supervising.
is supervising the whole situation here because she doesn't want anything to get dropped or left behind. She's a very good girl that way. All right, look at that shit. And we just do the do.
Good job, Crannies. Oh, Maya's coming too. I got noses in the picture.
Threw some logs on the fire, get that back up to snuff. And look at those burnt chicken wings. Yeah, baby.
Show
And look at
everybody your
crannies.
chopping block.
Do they look good, crannies? Maya, do they look good?
No.
Good morning, Friday morning. We were up pretty early this morning. It was a chilly one last night. It went down to like 11 degrees. Crazy, it's still chilly, cold. Had some really cool mist coming off the lake this morning though. That was pretty cool. So we went for a little drive around the park this morning. Got the Blackstone fired up. Just cook up some eggs, egg sandwich. Nothing fancy. Well, the sun has come out now. We just took a run into Sharbot Lake to check it out and stopped at the LCBO there. Found me Perth Brewery Bonfire Black Lager. Crannies is on a frog hunt. Get any frogs, Crannies? She takes this shit seriously. So yeah, poor us are chilling out on this beautiful lakefront site. It's a rough life, but somebody's got to do it. We enjoy every minute of it. We appreciate every minute of it. Every minute of it. No, I haven't had any beer yet. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
It's tough. I got my Perth Brewery Bonfire Black Lager. Wet your thistle. I like it. I really like it. Cheers. We are getting the campfire ready for some campfire cooking, and we are going to be doing tomahawk steak, baby. Yeah. Okay, the fire is just about ready for the coals. RV camp in Ontario, campfire cooking. Check this out. Got a total Fred Flintstone tomahawk steak, and then we got some beans, butter, salt, pepper, onions, and some garlic, and some Old Bay seasoning. The steak has just some oil, salt, and pepper. That's it. I've never cooked one before, so I'm gonna have to think about how long I'm gonna cook it, but I'm usually pretty good with my steak.
Chef Sparky.
Welding glove. String beans, frozen, but they're still beans. Look at this. Look at that, baby.
Would you look at that?
Would you look at that? Just look at it.
Crannies is very close in looking at this.
I bet she is. She's gonna supervise the whole time.
Oh yeah.
So let's throw this thing
Don't
down.
be messing that up. That's going to take more than a minute or two.
Yeah. That's what we're dealing with. That's gonna be so good. So, see what we got in the old cooler. Carol requires a Smirnoff. I require Barking Squirrel. Got the steak going, got the beans going. I just gave her a flip after 6 minutes. Looking good. I shimmed up the cast iron pans. The butter was running. Beans are looking good. They're about done. And there you have it. Tomahawk steak, beans, and an axe. And a beautiful wife. What more could a man ask for? All right, let's see how we did here.
I got a close-up.
You got a close-up? How'd we do?
Oh, I'd say pretty good.
I'd say,
Pretty perfect.
well, maybe a little even too cooked. My favorite.
Good.
Well, beautiful Friday evening here. This kid's having fun on the dock fishing. Got a stunning woman beside me. Spectacular. Got the campfire up and running. That tomahawk steak was something else. That was really, really good. Maybe the best steak I've ever had in my life. Great. So anyways, we're going to sign off for tonight. Tomorrow we're going to do some canoeing, fishing, maybe even some hiking. The dogs are overdue. Crannies is totally into this frog hunting thing going on here. So anyways, thanks for watching. Check out our next video coming up on this place, and then other videos that are going to be coming up from our season thus far that have not been posted. Thanks for watching. Shitters full!
Shitters full!